Hi everyone, my name is Elisa. Hi everyone, my name is Elisa Shapiro. I'm going to be your instructor for financial accounting this semester. I wanted to just help you get started and find your way into the course. So to get started, you're going to go to your Lion's Den page and see our course there, which is ACCT 10190V, Financial Accounting. Alternatively, you could go straight into Canvas, which is here, and see our course there as well. So whichever one works for you, just click on our course name and it's going to bring you right to the home page. So once you're here, just a few things to point out to help you get started. This is our home page. I would read this introduction I've written here for you, and I'm going to embed this video at the bottom when I'm done as well, so you can always refer back to it. But this is your home page. I'm going to suggest that to get started, you go over to modules. This is really the organization of the course. And if you follow the modules, I'm going to close them so that they look a little neater for right now. If you follow them, taking them one at a time, observing the due dates in each, finish one, go to the next, so on and so forth, you'll be in great shape. So our first module is getting started. If I click on that and open it, I have a text page just below, and there's some important information there to help you get started. I'm going to click on that, and here's some getting started information. The first and most importantly right now is your syllabus. Please open that up. It's a link to a Word document. Read it thoroughly. Understand my requirements. Understand what I expect when you post on a discussion board. And by the way, the discussion boards are mandatory, all of them. You have to create an original post and a response post, and there's some more criteria. So familiarize yourself with that to get full points. Those are something you want to get full points on. There's more information in there, the due dates, exam information, homework information, and things of that sort. So familiarize yourself with that. I mentioned the discussion boards here. You can read on that. There's a homework assignment for every chapter. I will show you those in 1 minute. And down here I have a link to help you with selecting the book. I will say to you, if you click on that link, you have some options to purchase the link. Absolutely, positively, you must, as soon as possible, acquire the access code for our text, which is a Pearson MyLab product. The exams, the homework, other assignments, they are all available through MyLab. So without that code, you won't be able to do any of the assignments in the class. So getting that code is critical. Do it sooner than later. If for some reason you have to postpone buying that code, let's say for a week or so, don't wait to get on. Use their temporary, I think it's a 1 or 2 week free trial code. So get on, use that, and then get yourself your permanent code. Get that squared away. Once you handle that, go down here. This is a link to your first introduction, your discussion board, which is an introduction. You're going to introduce yourself, a little bit fun things about yourself, and then respond to one of your classmates as well. Again, take a look at our posting requirements so that you get full points for that. That's due on February 5th, so you have about 2 days to get that in. Okay, so if we go back, that's your Getting Started module, and I think that's pretty helpful to get you up and running. Excuse me, our next, the next thing we're going to do is get right into our work with Chapter 1. So if you click on the Chapter 1 module, there's another text page there. So I'm going to open that up. Everything you need to do, this text page will direct you. It's a slight introduction to the chapter. Okay, it gives you steps to take in order to be successful in completing the chapter. I want you to read the introduction, which is what I wrote above. Look at the learning objectives, which is linked in the material, and then read the chapter. I have PowerPoints in here. You can use those. See, they're linked down below here. Animated lecture is one of your assignments in MyLab. So when you click on that, it's not open right now, so it won't open. It's still spinning. But for you, it won't open. But here's all the assignments. Okay, so these are quick questions you should be able to answer after you review the question. This actually is MyLab. So if you click on it, Once you have your access code, you can get in and complete the assignment. Okay, so that is, that's one assignment in My Labs. You also have a homework for every chapter. If you click on that, you're also going to be let in through My Labs. And here, these blue links take you to the individual problems. So as you can see already, every chapter has a couple of assignments in My Labs. That's again why that access code is so important. So in addition to the animated lecture and the homework, you have a discussion board for every chapter. So be sure to get those, in and done by the due date. Another big thing in my class is that I don't extend due dates. I don't allow for makeup exams and things like that. Keep that in mind. All right. Now, if we go back, so every chapter is going to look similarly set up. Right? If I go back to my modules, you'll see that after my chapter 1, 2, and 3, you have a research discussion board. Again, this should be fun. This should be, look up some things, specific type of accounting careers. What'd you find out? What do you think? What do you like? What don't you like? Then after that, you have your first exam. So if I click on the link to this exam, right here in blue again, this will direct you directly to My Labs where you will take your timed exam. Exams are anywhere from 40 to 50 questions, and you usually have about 2 hours for each exam. Okay, so that's a lot of information, but I just wanted to help you navigate through the course initially. 2 quick things to point out as well. I will be often reaching out to you. This over here is your inbox. So you'll be, I hope, alerted if you get an email. If not, check it regardless every other day or so. And over here is a calendar. If you click on the calendar, it takes a while. My Wi-Fi is really slow tonight. Sorry about that. Our class right here is in Mustard. So these are all the classes I teach. You won't have this much information. You will have due dates, just like the introduction due date, down here on the 10 Chapter 1 animated lecture, Chapter 1 homework. That will also be a visual guide to you to help you with the due dates. But no matter what, because I never know technically if something goes wrong with this calendar, the due dates as they are laid out in the syllabus are firm. So use that, rely on that, print it out, keep it near you. I will be online every day, Monday through Friday. You will hear from me. I will answer questions. I am very accessible if anything, you need me for anything, or if you had a question on the homework and no one is answering it on the discussion board, I will jump in. If you want to hear from me before then send me an email and I will respond to you quickly. And that's really it. I'm looking forward to a great semester. I hope you are as well. And I am looking forward to reading everyone's introductory post by the 5th. Thanks a lot and have a great day.